What you doing? You playing in your playpen? This is what happens when mommy is tired of carrying you. So she sticks you in there so you can play with all of your balls. See? Say hello. Say hi to everyone. Close, open, clap your hands. Say, Daddy, can you pick me up? You busy now?
Brush your hair. Brush nga yung hair ni Biba. Brush your hair. Brush.
You want me to brush your hair?
Combo na hair mo. Combo na hair mo.
Yay! You brushing your own hair?
Oh, brush your hair na.
Let me see. Yay! You're looking so pretty. We're counting all our money. Let's pick up the laundry first. You guys ready to pick up the laundry? What is this, baby? Eggplant balls. Santo. And then, of course, we have our brown rice. And thank you, Ate Liz and Kuya Jess, for the merienda. Thank you for cooking, baby. Let's eat. Are you ready to eat, baby? Yay! Good job, baby. Hi, baby. Just finished taking a shower? Feel good after taking a shower, maybe? Are you ready for some lugaw, baby?
Yes.
Okay,
We're
let's.
ready.
Mommy's gonna treat us out for some lugaw today. Because Daddy doesn't have any money right now.